What's up guys, welcome to Digital Tips. In the previous video I have showed you how to disable Windows 10 automatic updates. In this video I'm going to show you how to hide or show Windows updates and drivers. This way you can hide any unwanted updates from your system. In rare cases, a particular driver or update might temporarily cause issues with your device. To prevent the driver update from being reinstalled automatically, a show or hide updates troubleshooter from Microsoft will help you to hide and show Windows updates and drivers for Windows 10. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's begin. On the desktop, I have this program from Microsoft. What you do is double click on the program. It will bring this pop-up up. Say show or hide updates. Select the updates that Windows will install automatically. You need to click advanced. Apply repairs automatically. You need to click next. It will detect any latest updates which Windows is sending you on your system. What I'll do is I'll open Windows updates. So you need to search Windows update and you need to click on check for updates. As you can see, it has found two updates: Windows malicious software removal tool, and it says cumulative update for Windows 10 version 21H1. There's option updates as well, drivers updates. I don't want Windows to install this driver. You can see on here, if I open up my software, it says here that your drivers are up to date. So this is the latest driver for my graphics card. So Windows is trying to install this driver which is old. I don't want that. If I go back, it will show these two as well as this update, show or hide updates. So if I click on hide updates, 3 updates are shown. If I move this here and open Windows update and I move that here, you can see 3 updates. Let's say if you want to disable this update, all you need to do is click on here, and of course I don't want Windows to update the drivers, display drivers. I need to click here, so it's going to hide these 2 updates only. So you need to click next. Say resolving problems. You need to wait till this completes, and it says fixed. This means I hit the updates. So you close this. So you need to search Windows update and you need to click on check for updates. Okay, this bit is really important. If you see your updates still showing, what you need to do is pause updates for 7 more days. You need Windows to refresh the updates. So what you do is you click on resume updates. So Windows will start scanning again. As you can see, it doesn't show any updates. If I go here and if I click on show hidden updates, as you can see, these 2 are hidden. So if in the future you want to resume this update or show this update, so you click on this and you click next. As you can see, it says fixed and there's a tick box there. If I look for updates again, it has found the update and it will start automatically downloading the update for you. So this is how you show or hide any unwanted drivers or updates in Windows. In my previous video, there's multiple ways on how to disable Windows update. If you don't want Windows to update automatically, it completely disables the Windows update to notify you. There is a bonus tip. Do watch the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Also hit the bell icon so you get the latest videos that are released on my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.